Ignorance, otaku bootleg. Punta na ako dun Otaku bootleg, ignorance, tsaka game spatter. Yan mga yan.
Kaya yun yung save point ko.
Tawag dito, magkaroon kayo ng healthy lifestyle, 'di ba? Na parang kung titingnan mo naman hindi related no do sa ginagawa mo, but parang binibigyan ng possible issue na magko-cause ng limited supply. Kunyari, mataas yung demand sa game. Tapos nabenta na lahat ng supply, no, na ship. Nangyari na ngayon is that ang isa kasi sa mga dito loophole no ng web 2 is that kunyari sharing of information. So yung point, no? So pagdating sa ganyan, no, in terms of work, 'di ba? Tapos Americans. Actually sa case namin, kahit papaano
have to choose. I don't expect you to forgive me. But you can't defeat me.
I see you're a practiced hunter. Took you less time to kill those scroungers than vanguards to kill one bristleback.
na ako yung gagawa ng content. So ang function ng mga web page no, ng mga website dati is to disseminate information. 'Di ba? Para siyang months. I don't know kasi parang napansin ko lang din na what do you call this? Na very lenient, no? Pag mga ganitong time of the
But look.
Better luck next time.
Let's hope so. But seriously, don't forget that you were like that until just yesterday. In fact, you really shouldn't even be on this mission.
How come Olvin's in charge? Don't these
Try telling Olv he brought in all
Fire and...
Who's Corvind?
He's their foreman. The kind that knows how to deal
Si
with all.
Por.
Sir. O nga marami ring gastusin kasi ngayon eh. Pupunta kami ng Cebu tsaka ng Jensan this holiday. So by December 2, no, wala na kami dito sa Manila. Minimum of 4 trips siya, 'di ba? So, syempre, pag pumunta ka ng Tokyo, sulit-sulitin mo na. Lahat ng pwede puntahan, puntahan mo na. Walang tulugan.
Laban pa dito.
Purpose greater than myself. And for the good of all. I carry those words with me.
What's going on? Respond.
Tumakbo ka naman, sir. Ang lamihan mo naman magtumakbo.
Machine.
Those asses bit us raw.
Looks like it died on impact. Maybe it charged off the cliff up there. I better keep following the trail up. Varl.
One for 2.52.
Ng Sony, no? Yung NFT. So ngayon, since yung game minint natin, no? NFT na siya. So, nasaan yung game? Mismo itself. Appreciate. So, parang sa'yo, nandun yung, especially kung meron kang voice, no, to speak out. Nasa'yo yung bola, no, to, what do you call this, para ilathala. Diba, yung resupply ng physical game. Pero pagdating dito sa digital, no, kung halimbawa naubos na yung supply ng NFT, no, na kumbaga naubos na supply yung game. Pero the thing is, hindi siya magiging problema in a sense na parang dahil, kasi kung titingnan natin sa konteksto ng physical, may maraming
Can't.
I heard you used to be a codebreaker for the NSA.
I was. 4 years ago, I defected to the Soviet Union with Adam.
Si Sony, na meron din silang effort for tag dito for blockchain. So, parang tinatry din nila. Ayan.
Underneath the Hayabara Inferma. Underneath your clouds.
Ng DLC. So depende talaga 'yan sa region, no? Kaya marami tayong account, 'di ba? Indonesia and Turkey daw Barya Games. Grabe sa sir. Alam mo to? With the platform is syempre via account, 'di ba? And then tong account na to kinreate natin dun sa platform. So meron silang hold ng record kung sino tayo, kung ano yung identity natin. Ito. So check ko lang, no? Mini-make sure ko lang kung na-redeem ko nga yung Castlevania. So, nandiyan.
Ito. Entrance hall. Dito na.
Just relax and it'll all be over before you know it. Stay with me. I've seen people in worse shape before. Think you can
entity na yon available sa atin. 'Di ba? Pwede natin makita ganyan. Ang key dito, kapag halimbawa, ito kasi itong records na to, no?
Mirror stone.
Tinker with that gear of yours.
Keep that. Oo naman, syempre. Celebrate. Maraming maraming magiging award yun. Pero sa music pa lang nun, saka sa
I don't think that. Gotta find those two miners. Quick.
No.
So you haven't heard then. The man who arranged the defection was a GRU colonel by the name of Yevgeny Borosovich Volgin.
Mga ganun. Yan ang ginagawa, no? So, yun ang tawag na clock in, clock out. Hey. Stay ka lang, ha?
If you say so.
Already got enough meat and bitter leaf. Just need to grab a metal panel from the scrounger pod.
Ng traction para ma-push yung game to release it physically, 'di ba? Yun yung mga loss in translation na. Okay, ayun guys, no? Para lagi kayong updated kahit na hindi consistent yung streams natin. Please type exclamation point.
Flying over Pakistan, altitude 30,000 feet.
Approaching Soviet airspace.
20 minutes to drop off. Commencing internal depression.
Metacritic and you're being critical on a game, I mean, meron bang justification or valid ba yung criticism mo about the game itself? Diba? Hindi natin ma-measure yan eh.
A world war. I had no choice but to cooperate. I didn't want to die. I wanted to see my wife and child again.
Guys, smoke lang ako.
Hey, Snake, have you ever seen Forbidden Planet?
Something there. I must be seeing things.
No? And ang problema dito, yung mismong industry itself, no? They suck on doing this, no? On doing this preservation. Diba? Kasi nga
And we had no choice. President Kennedy gave in to Khrushchev's demand. The next day, I got Sokolov out of the hospital, handing him over to agents on the eastern side.
Base ng operation nila, no? Kung ako yan mag-aaklas, ay grabe siya, no? Alam mo, maganda na nga yung setup ng company namin, tapos mag-aaklas ka pa. O, saan ka pa? Work from home, all the way. O. Nyo, diba? Kasi ang idea doon is ma-send sa'yo, ma-transfer sa'yo yung token, no, for you to
I see you're a practiced hunter. Took you less time to kill those scroungers than vanguards to kill one bristleback.
okay, ayan yung X ayan yung everything, no? Pero ang problema doon is that yung X na yon hindi siya gagana not unless on the specific platform
You don't seem to have a high opinion of the magistrate?
Well, I refuse to play nice to some fancy-robed parchment pusher when my fellow laborers are being bullied.
Okay, pinicture ko na nga.
Yung data na galing sa server. Diba? So that's why unlimited yung supply ng game. Dahil digital siya. So now dito sa Web3, mag-iibahin na natin ako yung gagawa ng content. So ang function ng mga web page ng mga website dati is to disseminate information. Diba? Para siyang
Zokidan.
ano pa ako nun eh. Medyo hindi ako mahilig sa ganyan. 'Di ba? Hindi ako mahilig sa ganyan. No? Pero ayun nga. During the night okay naman, no?
Pangin na ni. Bubukas siguro mamaya itong pintura.
Paramedic.
Snake, it's so good to hear from you again.
Same here. It's been a week, hasn't it?
4 days